Today we're talking about how to make title effects for your videos using this app. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Inkstainedpanda, the place on YouTube where we discuss arts and do tutorials and stuff. So man, today we're going to be discussing how to do amazing title effects for your video production. You can't do that without using Adobe After Effects, right? Wrong, man. You can do that using this here app, TJam. Now, I use an iPad Pro for everything that I do production-wise. And this app is essential in my productivity workflow, really. I use it to make all my titles for my videos, and it's jam-packed with amazing effects. You'll see. So obviously I'm on iOS. This app actually also has an Android version, I believe. I'm not sure, but yeah. So let's delve into the tutorial right now. So let's fire up the app right now. It's in my video folder here, TJam. So to start out with, it suggests a 3D version of lettering here. I'm gonna just flatten it out. For starters, clicking on the first title there, removing the bevel and removing the depth so I get a flat 2D image. Now I have the Pro version here, so I can actually choose my own fonts. I like this one a lot, Frederica the Great. Great font. So yeah, that's my font choice. Then I click on the material button and I go for a flat material again, and remove the bevel and the depth, and choosing the same font here, Frederica the Great. There we go. Now for the background, I choose to have a flat background, and I go with very harsh green, because when I take this over into my video editing program, that green is going to act like a green screen. So I actually get, I'm just going to pause it here for a quick sec. So this green is going to work as a green screen, and actually just remove the background and just have the title clear there. So yeah, let's play again. I want black color for this title, and just gonna write something else here. This needs to be cut out, obviously. So I select the actual. So I select the actual letter box there, and just double click on it. It gives me access to write something else. And I'm gonna write, what should I write? Headline, yeah? Let's do headline. There we go. Remove the keyboard and double click on the second line there. Delete that, and I want it uncapsed, so I just write here. Remove the keyboard. Edit the coloring. Both the front color and the side color actually needs to be the same. So yeah, that's all about the layout. Yeah, now let's click on the animate button, and here you can see, actually I'm just gonna pause it right here. At the top there, you can see at the recording timeline that it's starting at -2 seconds, and that's because You need to kind of establish from the get-go here which effects you want to do, and then when you hit record, you have like 2 seconds to kind of clear your head and then press the right buttons. Actually, once you get into that, it's working pretty neatly. But yeah, let's look at the options. Press play again. I can have, you know, various flying effects, flip here, copter, screw, fade in. I can have some imploding, a teaser, a roll, compose, step left, step right, and yeah, lots of different options here. Backspin, dropping in, falling in like this. And once the text is in, actually, pausing again. So you know, when you hit play, the canvas is blank. So you need to establish what kind of intro effect you want. And once the text is in your screen, you can do various effects here, like they don't have any names, but yeah. Various effects. Just by clicking the buttons at the low end there, yeah. Some flips, some very cool flips. There we go. Looking great already, yeah. Zoom, quake, turb, shake. Blur, invert. Some various animation effects as well you could utilize if you wanted to. Cool glitch right there. And then we have some exit effects if you want to utilize something like that. Cool falling effect here. Very nice, very nice. So pausing again here. So once we have explored all the possibilities in here, when we press record, we need to, you know, be ready to hit the right buttons actually, because that's how this app works. But don't you worry, once you have tried it out for a couple of times, you'll be good to go. I promise you'll be good to go. Now for this particular, I chose to kind of copter it in. So there, and once it's in, I'm going to hit the cam, and then I'm going to do a turbulence effect. So that's my plan for this. Okay, so back to in to and cam, and yeah, I think I'm ready to press record now. Once I do, it has a 2 seconds cooldown, and then I copter it in. I hit cam and I hit turb a few times actually. So there we go, man. Now I in the upper right hand corner, I'm gonna hit export, and it's gonna export it to my camera roll. It's really quick about it. It's really quick about it. There we go. Successfully exported. So I can hop out of the app here. Let's go into the camera roll and look at this. It copters in, and there's the turb. There's the turb. So man, all that is left to do now for me is to import this into my video editing app. Of course I need an app that has green screen capabilities, but in there I can remove the hideous green color and be left with this. So YouTube, that's going to be it for today. I hope you learned something about how to create amazing titles for your video work. If you did and want to learn more, please consider to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Until next time, keep drawing and keep being creative. Peace out.